You might be in a situation where you can't open a downloaded app on your iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix apps not opening on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you can check is to go to your settings app right over here, click on General, and click on Software Update. So wait for this to load so that it will be checking if your device has the latest iOS update, and if you have the latest one, it should show up to date right here. iOS is up to date. However, if it prompts you to download and install a certain update, just tap on that so that that will make your device more compatible to all applications on App Store that you have downloaded and might prevent some crashes on the app. So you should be able to open up your apps once you have been updated to the latest iOS version. So if that does not work, or if that is not the case, another thing that you can do is you can check if that certain app is up to date through your app store. So you can just go to your app store, and for example, TikTok is not opening. You can just search for TikTok and tap on TikTok right here. Now, if it shows an update button right like on this one, you can tap on it, and that might solve the problem of you not being able to open the TikTok app. So if that is not the case, or even your app store is not opening through your iPhone, the last thing that you can do is to restart your phone. So just hold your power button and your volume down button simultaneously and hold it for a few seconds, and this should pop up. So just slide to power off your phone and turn it on again, and see if you are able to open your apps once again. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.